Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for my ever trying to improve my video, everybody online says I need to do lights. So I thought I would do an unboxing of this GVM Pro SD200B. Very heavy. It doesn't come across in camera, but there's definitely weight to it. It's not light for sure. Okay. Make sure this is in frame. Yeah, okay. First box opening of this. Seems like a nice case. Stiff wall. Place for a business card. That side. Very nicely packaged. Don't know if I totally understand how it's all packaged, but it seems to be very nicely packaged. Looks like a power supply, quite a bit of cord, guarantee, a manual that nobody ever reads. This is a holder for this power brick onto a C-stand. See how you get it out of here. Wow. Seems to be very well packaged in here. Like, am I going to be able to get that back in there? Okay, that goes like that. Plastic bag. This goes on top. Definitely seems pretty meaty. It's pretty robust. C-stand mount. Bowens mount for lenses or diffusion. Everything seems to be in nice shape. Packaging seems to be good. I should have had a C-stand set up, but let's just see if we can get it to power on here, just to make sure before we go crazy. This is going to be my first real light, or, you know, it's not an aperture or anything, but seems like a pretty well built light. It is only a 200. I couldn't afford much more. I bet you it's going to be bright though. At least I'm hoping it's going to be bright. No, it's on. I'm going to turn it off. Now, I don't believe you're supposed to have this on here. I think there's a big warning about it. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. Okay, that's bright. That's very bright. What percentage are we at? Okay, look at that. Color change. Okay, mode. We'll go back to here. Oh my goodness, that's only 10%. That's our 19%. That is crazy. That, I don't know if you could see how bright this is, but that's insanely bright. And that's only like 50% right there. Definitely goes to a much more sunset warm color, down to 2700. Much cooler, 6800. Wow. All right, let's try putting the cone on it. Oh, I can't even look at that, so friggin' bright. All right, that definitely reduces the glare from it, or the, or reduces the, I don't know what you call it, where it's flooding outward. Makes it more of a spot. So let me put this on, let me get a stand on up, and we'll put it on the stand. Give me 1 second. See if your framing is. Please don't mind the mess. This is all my camera gear just kind of piled up right here. Let's see how this works. See, this is supposed to go on this. And this is supposed to go around this. What I believe is supposed to happen. Probably not right there on the hand grip, but that'll work for now. Okay. All right. We turn it back on. Wow. That's crazy bright. Let me tilt you up here a little bit. I don't know what percentage this is at. 23. It remembers where you were. It's easy to adjust the, like it's, once you're in CCT, it's easy to adjust. 2 knobs. Pretty low. I didn't even know if that's crazy. Pretty precise percentage. I don't know if you can see that or if it's washed out. 30%. I haven't heard the fan kick yet. Okay, there's 100%. And that is, it does not look it on camera, but because the camera constantly is adjusting, but that is insanely bright. I'm back. How do you go to the next? Oh, menu. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. Fan settings. Smart. High. Oh, there it is. It wasn't even on. Okay. So the fan is running. It's very quiet. Let's see if I can see it. I can't see it running. I'm going to put it back to smart and see if it was actually. I'm going to put you down so I can see up there. See if the fan. Oh yeah, it's absolutely silent. You can't hear the fan at all. Okay, so now you have, I'm going to turn the brightness down first off because it's super bright. This is way more light than I'll need. I can tell you that for sure, at least for now. So let's go back to mode. Let's go to source, and you have different things like HMI, studio lamps, sodium lamp, halogen, RE lamp, candle. Oh, there you go. Sunset, sunrise, daylight, overcast sky, and fluorescent. What was these first ones? Oh, tungsten. Tungsten look. And then you also have effects. So you have lightning, which I'm sure is much more impressive in the dark, outside a window. OC or CCT loop. Candle again, that's probably going to be like a flicker. Yeah, and you actually have speed adjustment, the color, and the intensity. You hit back and you go back to which you're selecting. A bad bulb. Pretty cool. TV. Yeah, of course it's going to be a little more blue. All right. Paparazzi. This is going to be flashing, just like crazy flashing. Yeah, similar to lightning. Explosion. Yep. Pulsing, strobe, fire, fireworks, welding. All right. I don't know that I'll probably use this setting. And these the most, like a tungsten light, that kind of thing. I'm gonna see how much heat there is in the front of it. Not that much. And the difference with and without that, that's a big light. And then definitely that is more of a spotlight. Yeah, this is we'll see how it holds up, but I'm pretty happy. I think that's a pretty nice light. Go back. And I think that that's going to do the job. So that's it. This is the first unboxing for the GVM SD200B Pro. Pretty happy. It seems like the build quality is pretty good. This feels like metal, metal, plastic handles on the thumbnails, metal. This is plastic. The whole case feels like metal. Digital display. So I'm happy. That's the 200. Seems very bright with a scrim or a flag in front of it. That would make a bright light. I've got a normal diffuser on the way and a lantern diffuser coming. They are, one of them's on the slow boat from China and one of them's from eBay. The lantern's from eBay and this normal diffuser, you know, the honeycomb diffuser is from AliExpress. So we'll see how long it takes to get. All right, but thank you for coming. That's the review. Talk to you later.